हाँ तो जोहा सजामो संगी बगारी तो गुचा संगी बगारो इधर नम है लुरकुड़िया और नम है बुधु भी लुरकुड़िया ता खद्दर गने हूँ मोंजरा नंतादन और कशनखरा के इधर एकासे कसे कशनखरनार नम है और एकासे इंग्लिश कशनखरनार नो हाँ तो नीन कशनखरे तो नीनी जाय हुसनु आरकुन कशनखराई
जिला लोहर दग्गा एन ईद बुद्धू बिन लुरकुड़िया मेले स्कूल लुरकुड़िया
बचे एन या आप हाँ टेल
एंगे आयो के नाम में नीलमणि पन्ना एंगे बाबा के नाम में कृष्णा उराव एंगे दीदी के नाम में भूमि सिद्धि उराव और हर्षिला लता टिका जहार
आपको एक बार इंग्लिश नु
My name is Astha Tigga. I read in class 3. My roll number 1. My village is Togritoli. My district Lohardaga. And my mother's name is Nilamani Panna. My father's name is Krishnavra. My sister name is Bhumi Siddhura. And my small sister name is Harshila Latatigga.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, now we are let's go there at our garden how we are walk you tell, okay?
So many flowers, good.
And who's this vehicle?
This
Whose vehicle this? Yeah?
This is builder.
Yeah, our vehicle, no?
Yes. And that is our bus.
Bus, that
So
is no?
there we are going to dance.
Any here there, no?
Yes.
And here sir you tell what our flower here.
This is desi flower, sir.
Yeah, desi flower this
Yeah.
is.
Yes. This is desi flower. Now no flower is so good type.
And
so
more.
good.
And this what is this?
This khajur what saying nut. This is nut plant.
Nut plant.
Yes.
And after this
This fancy flower looks so hard. This dry away.
dry away, no?
Yes.
And more.
And this is 10 time flower.
What?
10 o'clock I am happening that flower.
Yeah.
10 o'clock from 12 o'clock time.
Yeah.
After that, this rose flower, sir. This rose flower, not floor. But
Now,
has
no?
so many punching things.
Yeah. Now no?
Yes.
And more.
This is a sunflower type, but not really sunflower.
Yeah. And after this
And this, what's it? So plant this is.
so plant.
Yeah.
And more.
This is rubber plant, rubber.
This.
Yeah, this making with rubber.
Yeah. And after this flower you are our village side
Yeah.
also happening this flower.
Yes.
So you will tell.
And Karma have also this parcha doing.
Yeah.
And this is also that so plant.
Yeah. And
And this flower is what name?
this grass you say, no?
Yeah, this grass.
Like grass.
Yeah. This rubber.
Yeah.
This also rubber.
Rubber. And more.
This grass type looking, but here leaf looking.
Solar.
Flower,
Red.
floor type.
Yeah.
And this is also 10 o'clock happening that plant.
And looking so like
Yeah.
our rose, no?
Yes.
And this flower from making mehendi also.
Yeah.
And this is also desi.
Desi flower, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. How to pluck?
Who plucking the flowers. And they are hibiscus also. This is jasmine.
This is
Look,
jasmine
one
flower.
One piece.
Look how to looking, no?
Yes, good looking. Here, this flower from also perfume making. This also desi. But
Perfume
color-
making. No this?
color different type.
Yeah. Which class you study? One more tell.
I study in class 3.
You know? Okay, now.
This mango type looking, but not the mango, sir.
Eh? This?
Mango, yeah?
Yeah, this is mango.
Yes.
Yeah, smile also are coming.
Mango type.
Yeah.
This also 10 o'clock. One side this.
10 o'clock, this flower, this happen 10 to 12 o'clock, no?
And this is also
What? This is
coconut.
coconut plant.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this jasmine, but no flowering.
Yeah. Now not flowering. Little look here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Little coming out. And here is also coconut.
Here one also coconut. No.
Yes.
But
Yes.
what happened? And this is pepper flower. Pepper.
This is pepper flower.
Yes. And they are hibiscus.
These star flowers are star.
This.
Yes.
Star
But
flower.
which time this happened? This
And it
Yes,
looks like
morning
the flowers
time.
are
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here's a star flower.
Here look a star flower. This way.
Yeah.
More
This mango.
mango tree. No.
Yes.
Our garden have two mango tree available now.
And then Christmas tree also, sir.
Where?
There.
This also, sir.
This no Christmas
Yes.
tree.
Yes.
Our garden.
Rose also.
Rose. Where?
Yeah. There's a sir.
But no flower. Oh, the one piece only.
One piece.
The pink color.
Pink color. No.
Two pieces available.
This is rose. No.
Yeah.
Left side.
Look, our garden have one
Rose.
rose available and two flower this
Flower.
and more. Let's go.
And there paddy plant.
And what is there?
Paddy plant.
Paddy plant. In Kurukh nubadat nam khess. Ka.
Yeah.
And more. So let's go. This is also a star flower. Look,
So many.
so many star flower. Our
And that school bus have written my name Astha.
where?
That Hindi from written.
Where?
Their bus written not their side.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And come here. More here flower. We are look one. They are big flower. We are looking. What is this?
This don't know Xmas tree type no.
Yeah, and nice. No.
Yeah.
So touch to how to happening look. Yeah.
Little plant. And there is a hibiscus flower.
Discuss flower, no?
Two,
Flower.
three piece.
Yeah, 2-3 piece happening now. Looks nice, no?
Yes, and there's sunflower also.
Where?
There's Rakhi flower, sir.
Huh?
Rakhi flower.
But
Let's go.
no flowering sir this season.
हाँ भाग्य में माँ का था ना देख हाँ